What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. I'm going to go over our friend BTC. Currently sitting at 30.2K, up 2.5 on the day. Bounce from our wave 4 pullback zone. Seeing market cap of 584 billion. 24-hour volume 18.11 billion. Let's hop into the chart. It's going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So as you can see, we bounced right off our 29.2 target, the 50% retracement. And we're starting to push up. So if we can break this B wave high, that will give you more confirmation, a break above 30.5K, and it will give you a wave 5 target of about 31.7K. So what you may be looking at here is that you've already pushed up in the wave 1, you pull back into 2, 3, 4, 5 to push you up to that wave 5 target. Let me look at the 4 hour time frame quickly. Take a look at the daily time frame. We bounced directly off the 20 EMA. As you can see, not as much money is flowing in. We have a bearish divergence on the money flow. As prices pushing up, not as much money is flowing back in, so do keep an eye on that. We are trended towards overbought. Also on the weekly time frame, we're trending towards overbought, so that is something to keep an eye on. Money flow is quite high. But as I've been mentioning, it does look like we're going to print the bullish cross in the next couple weeks, which is a bottoming signal that is yet to fail. When we print the bullish cross, it's a strong signal. When we print the bullish cross, it signals the bottom is in and the bull market is started on the weekly time frame. So just a quick update. As you can see, we're retesting this bull pennant pattern, retest the 20 EMA. The technical target is 35.6K. Of course, we could potentially see a larger pullback before then. But looking at our wave count, if we complete this wave 5, it will complete this larger wave 3, which is here in red. And then you'd pull back in a wave 4 and potentially push up in a wave 5, which could easily take you up to the 33 to 35K range, which would also line up with the target of this bull pennant, which is coming in at 35.6K. The Dow Jones is still looking good in my opinion. As you can see, we broke out. We broke down, but it's a fake out to the downside, and then we saw a beautiful bounce. So the target of this triangle here, descending triangle, is 35.1K. And you can target the top of the wedge as well at 37.1. So that's it for this quick little update. Just look for a break of 30.5K for more confirmation to a push of 31.7. If we were to get rejected, we lose 29.2. Then we'd have to readjust the wave count, and potentially this wave 3 in red could already be complete. But as of right now, it's looking good for this wave 4 low being in and potentially pushing up in that wave 5. So make sure to sign up to either Bitget or Bybit. Up to 8K in bonuses on Bitget, up to 30,000 on Bybit. Do the majority of my trading here on Bitget. Check out my full length tutorials. Email me your sign up email. Completely free access to over 2,000 members. Posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. If you make your first deposit to one of the exchanges, you get a 30-day free trial to my signals analysis. Crypto news, members like to post their profits. They crushed it on the Gala trade. We took a Gala long that I gave a signal for, and they absolutely crushed it. My how to all plays. If you want direct access, it's only $10 a month. Sign up to the Patreon. But as I mentioned, if you make your first deposit on one of the exchanges, email me or sign up email, 30-day free trial. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.